Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off touch sound in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. If you touch on navigation button or if you open any app, there will be small sound. While touching on the screen, there will be small sound. If you would like to turn off touch sound, yes, you can do it. What you do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select touch sounds. Just turn off this button so that you will not get any touch sound hereafter. I touch on home button, there is no sound. I touch on back button, there is no sound. I touch on recent tabs button, there is no sound. I touch on Google Play icon to open Google Play Store, there is no sound. So I have turned off touch sound in my phone. Okay, so in this way you can also turn off touch sound in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.